everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. I ended up doing this like sleepy eye makeup look. I've been wanting to do a darker under eye makeup look for the longest time, and my under eye blush was actually done using a lip tint from Peripera, who I'm partnering with today. So if you want to get ready together, then just keep watching. I wanted to try a new eyeliner shape today, so we're actually gonna start from the bottom, do another line on the top, and then we're gonna connect those two lines. Fill out the rest of the liner. Sometimes I like using lip liners as eyeliner because they're creamier, so they blend out better, but they do smudge easier, so make sure to set it with eyeshadow as well. For the rest of the lower liner, just pull it right into the inner corner. Next, I'm using the Wine and Only palette from ColourPop. I'm gonna put that right on top of the eyeliner. I feel like the liner needs to be a little darker, so I'm actually gonna use a dark brown eyeliner to line it. For eyeshadow, I'm actually gonna use a contour shade. We're not gonna do too much eyeshadow on the upper eyelid because I wanna do a darker under eye makeup today. I'm using my favorite Makeup Forever Aqua Resist color pencil. This one's my favorite for water lines because it's actually waterproof. I slept on my side last night, so my eyelids are uneven today. So I'm gonna use double eyelid tape. I like to cut one sticker thing in half and then use them on both eyes. So I'm gonna find the highest point of my double eyelid. So that's probably around here. And then press it in. For lashes, I'm gonna curl them and then apply mascara. So we're gonna do the spiky lash look. Dip it in the glue. For the base, I want to use a new cushion foundation I got yesterday in the mail. Now that the eye makeup's done, what have we been up to? I'm filming this November 3rd, I think. So Halloween just passed. This year I was Mitsuha from Your Name. I actually had a few different costumes this year. Oop, it goes in my hair. Oh my god, I look so... Maybe I need to blend it out with, I'm gonna use a sponge instead so it takes away some of the coverage. Yeah. Like these cushions, they always make everything more full coverage because they don't absorb as much. But yeah, Halloween this year was fun. I'm ready for Christmas. I'm gonna go shopping this weekend and get some decorations. Let's apply cream contour next. I do think it looks better when I cream contour and powder contour. For blush, I'm actually gonna be using a lip tint. This is the Peripera Ink the Velvet lip tint. These have a really soft, matte, moussey texture, so they're multifunctional. You can use them on your cheeks as a cream blush or even on your eyes for like a monochromatic look. I'm only applying a little bit right now, but we're gonna apply another layer of it after we set our makeup. I'm gonna remove the foundation from my lips. Okay, now let's go back in with the cream blush. And this time I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Since this has a moussey texture, you can apply it after you set your makeup. What I like to do is I just apply it to the back of my hand first, and then I'll blend it out and pick up some of it on my finger so that it's not too wet. Applying a little bit to the tip of my nose. This shade I'm using is number 17 Rosy Nude. This is my favorite shade and it's also their most popular shade. It's just the perfect, universally flattering pinky nude shade. You can also get this in a lip kit with a lip liner, which I'll show you later. So I'm gonna use another one of the Peripera lip stains. This is in number 31 Wine Nude. I feel like it's a perfect winter color. It's dark, cool toned burgundy, and I'm gonna blend that out so you can see it's like a darker version of this. These are actually the #1 best-selling lip stains on Amazon right now. They sell like 15 bottles per minute, and they're on sale right now. So if you want to shop Peripera's up to 40% off Black Friday sale, I'll leave a link in the description box. Blend it out. I like applying it to my Filtrum because it gives me like a bunny type of look. Next, let's do our powder contour. Going back to the under eye makeup, I'm actually gonna apply some of that lip tint. Taking a dark brown eyeshadow, I'm gonna start doing the under eye contour. We're gonna bring it down pretty low this time because we want like that dark circle type of look. Next, I'm gonna curl my lower lashes and then apply lower lash mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I think this is one of the best lower lash mascaras. Lower lash mascara should be like super black, lengthening, and then separating. Separate them into sections. I totally forgot to contour the rest of our face. Let's highlight. Next, let's draw fake lower lashes. I like using a brow tint pen for this because it's a lot finer tipped. Moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use the lip liner that I was talking about earlier. It comes in the lip kit. This is the same exact shade as the lip tint, so it's in Rosy Nude. I personally like using lip liner to contour my lips and get the shape of lips that I want, but I don't like harsh lines, so using a creamy lip liner like this one is really good for that. You can softly blend it out after application, but after it sets, it won't move. And then for my actual lipstick color, I'm using the Peri Peri Ink the Velvet Lip Tint in number 17 Rosy Nude again. 90% of the time when people ask me what lipstick I'm wearing in a selfie is this one. It's just such a universally flattering pinky nude, and it gives you that soft, matte lip look without ever looking or feeling drying. Let me actually show you a swatch on my palm. You can see it has a blurring, smoothing effect when I blend it out. This is also really good for gradient lips if you're into that type of look, because it just blends out smoothly. I think since everything's so matte, I kind of want to do a glossy lip for this look. So I'm going to use one of the new Peri Peri Ink Lasting Lip Glosses. These just launched, and Peri Peri never misses with their lip products. These are like the non-stickiest or unstickiest glosses I own now. I'm debating which color to use right now, but it comes in these 3 shades, which I'll swatch for you. So 1 clear is a classic clear gloss. 2 Edge Nude is a pigmented nude, and 3 Chilling Rosy is a pigmented pinky color. I'm gonna deepen the lip color actually with the Ink the Velvet in number 31 first before we do the gloss. I'm gonna add a little bit of red. So this is the Classy Plum Rose Ink Velvet in number 20. Just a little bit, because I don't want it to be like a bright pinky red. I just wanna add a little bit of color back. Okay, now let's add our gloss. I think I'm just gonna add a classic clear gloss today. This gloss is so pretty, and I really like how it doesn't like settle into your lip lines. Let me show you a close-up. The actual lipstick, it doesn't like move around and start looking like weird. I don't know how it does that. It's just staying in place, and it's so perfect for that wet lip look. This is like my new favorite gloss. The glosses are already really affordable too, but they're also on sale right now for Black Friday. So if you want to shop that sale, I'll leave a link in my description box. And then finally, to finish off this look, I'm gonna add some beauty marks. Let's take out the hair roller. I took out the entire bangs. Okay, wait, let me clip it back in. I've been thinking of getting bangs recently, but I was like, you know what? These clip-in bangs look so real. Like I can just take it out whenever. What do we think? Okay, so I actually have a few accessories options. I've been really into fake glasses recently, and I got a bunch from Movement. If you get fake glasses, make sure you get the blue light blocking ones, because I have a few of the like regular non-prescription just fake glasses, and they all look terrible in pictures and stuff because they don't have the glare resistance, and then also they're useful. So this is the first option. I look like a different person. This is another option. And then finally I have this pair. I think this one suits this look the most. And let me show you my outfit. It's actually only half of an outfit because I didn't put on real pants. These are just pajama pants. But ta-da! It's just this is a Tularosa tube top I got from Revolve. I think it's made of wool, so it's very warm. And then this is a cardigan from Lip Hop that I tied in the back, or like I buttoned in the back, so it will turn into a shrug or a bolero. And then this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching and getting ready with me. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to shop any of the Peri Peri products I used today for up to 40% off, they're having a sale right now, so I'll leave a link to that in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!